let's focus on the trickier new elements of this exercise. I have the dark poly pad or dark theatre pad on some of your computers, and I'm going to make a 4-bar clip. I've made it. Now I'm going to set the quantize to be 1 bar, and I'm going to make a pattern somewhere around the 2nd octave. Let's just start with A, so it'll be a minor pad, and I just want a progression of notes then. I'm not thinking too hard about this. Okay, it's gonna be kind of moody. What's this sound like? Okay, pretty moody so far. Now let's turn it into a proper chord progression, staying in A minor. So how I do that is I can go up 4 steps or 3 steps, whichever one doesn't land me on a black key. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Can't do 4. I can do 3. And then same for another one above. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I can't do 3. I can only do 4. Okay. Now with this one, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, on a white key. So it's always 4 plus 3 and 3 plus 4, except for the B. The B is going to be weird. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I couldn't do 3 because I'd land on that. 1, 2, 3. Now the B, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can't do it. So the B ends up with this squashed chord. These are major chords. That's a minor chord because it's 3 plus 4. This is 4 plus 3, so it's a major chord. And this is called a diminished chord because it's 3 plus 3. Anyway, as long as we follow those rules, we don't need to know the rest of it. Now, that's our chord progression. Let's have a listen. Now, I'm going to be bold and just edit this a little bit. Remember, I keep the value of this chord the same, but I can just swap the notes into different octaves. Okay, let's swap that down there. And maybe I want to end on a high, so maybe I'm going to get this and push it up there. Okay, see how this changes the feel. Hopefully we still have the moodiness, but we'll have a bit of upward trajectory too also. Okay, it's interesting. Now let's go to our other clip, and I have to make sure this is 4 bars long, and I'm going to change the quantize to 1/8 just to make it easy to do. Now I want to have a melody that follows this chord pattern, so I'm going to click Echo Bay 2, and I'm going to press Control on my keyboard and click the other track. Sorry, I'm on Mac, so it's slightly different. If you're on Mac, it's the Command key. If you're on PC, it's the Control key. So now what I have is I have an overlay. You can see there's the yellow from Echo Bay, and there's the green for Dark Poly Pad. So this means then I can edit both clips at the same time. Now, why is this handy? Well, you'll see now. If I press focus, this stops me from editing the wrong clip by mistake. Now it's only whatever one I have clicked I can edit, but I see the shadow of the clip behind it. Now, so I'm going to start with a melody, and again I want a combination of ascending notes or notes going to an adjacent. I'm going to try to keep it on the notes of the chord, and I'm going to just move around. We won't worry about it too much how we're doing it. So let's have a build, and then let's just jump down. Okay, that's very simple. What's it like? Yeah, it's a bit daft. Okay, let's just do this again. So click this one, Control, I can see both. No, now I can do it. throw that there. Let's put that in the middle. Okay, it's a little bit less obvious. Now what I'm going to do is I want to put this pattern onto the other chords. Now how I'm going to do that is I'll turn off my pen tool. It's going to lasso them. And if I press, I'm not sure what the key combination, it's Alt, I think it's, ask me in class what it is on the PC. I haven't got a PC in front of me so I can't see. Copy and paste would have worked just as well. Like if I get this, Control C, and then I click that there, press Control V, and now I can just move up. I want to make sure they land on the boxes. I just need to fix that there. Okay, let's do that instead. Alright, Control C, Control V. Okay, now. Okay, quite a bit of fixing to do with this one. So now we have. So now I'm free to do, I don't know, just something more interesting. I have this repeating pattern. A common trick is to have a repeating pattern that changes at the end. So we have, it does the same thing 3 times, and on the 4th time it breaks form. So I'm going to introduce long notes. I just have it descending like that. And I'm going to put this an octave down just for the crack. And this one too.